Severe thunderstorm warning.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for Lafayette and western Greene counties. At 5:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Platteville to Shyville to Spragueville, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Automated observations in Potosi and Lancaster reported winds of 65 and 70 miles an hour. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monroe, Darlington, Shellisburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Apple River, Wheeler, New Diggings, South Wayne, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Browntown, Gratiot, Platte Mounds, Calamine, Lead Mine, and Jordan Center. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe